She's accused of killing 3 people in a crash last week on the Selmon Expressway. And today, AmberPerera broke down in tears before a Hillsborough County judge.
Reporter Adam Weiner tonight in the courtroom joins us live. Adam, that judge calling Perera a, quote, threat to the community.
This judge saying she was blown away that Perera would get behind the wheel of a vehicle even though she was having seizures nearly every single day. And that is why the judge said she just had to revoke bond for a woman who still claims she doesn't even remember the crash happening. Mouthing the words, "I'm so sorry," AmberPerera showed intense remorse as police described the deadly crash on the Selmon Expressway last week. The Brandon woman is accused of killing a family of 3 when she slammed her car into the back of another and then drove off.
What I saw was from the right lane still, it shifted quickly into the left lane and then just smashed right in the back of a white sedan.
In court today, one of the crash witnesses says he followed Perera's car until she finally stopped driving after the crash 2 miles later.
I rolled the window down just a little bit, so it was only a couple of inches, and she asked me if I knew what had happened, and she said she had a seizure.
Perera's attorney says the 29-year-old takes prescription medications to control seizures and anxiety.
Judge, there hasn't been anything to contradict the fact that my client took her medication as prescribed that morning.
But he also said the drugs didn't seem to be helping, revealing that Perera was having seizures nearly every single day, including that same morning of the crash. Judge Margaret Taylor says that's why she felt she needs to keep Perera behind bars, denying her bond before the trial.
I don't know which one is worse. If you're so impaired that you can't make the judge a correct judgment as to whether or not to drive based on your impairment, or you're stone cold sober and you have a seizure every single day, and yet you still choose to get in a car and drive. I honestly don't know which one is worse.
Perera faces a minimum of 4 years in prison for each of the 3 DUI manslaughter charges if convicted. I'm Adam Weiner, live outside the Hillsborough County Courthouse for ABC Action News.